Hi guys, my name is Orvil Walcott. Let me ask you a question. Are you really keen to learn how to make sales online as fast as possible? Well, I'm going to recommend at least 3 separate ways proven. So stay tuned because you're going to love this training as well as actual testimonials of people who, like you, watch this video wanting to learn how they could make sales online fast and as quickly as possible. And you're going to see their results. So stay tuned. Well guys, like I said, my name is Orvil Walcott. What I do is I help struggling network marketers, affiliate marketers and life coaches use the internet to very quickly go from here struggling to over here getting life-changing results in their sales and leads every single day. Now, the biggest question that I get asked a lot is how can I make sales, or can someone like you make sales really quickly online? And I want to give you the 3 most innovative ways which hands down have worked not only for me but many of those in my teams as well. Now, I have a range of teams both in terms of network marketing, affiliate marketing, private coaching clients as well. I want to explain to you what works the best and what the problems are. So the first is this, I would strongly recommend that you leverage the power of Facebook groups. Let me explain. The way Facebook works is this, it is an algorithm which judges, your activity, interaction and engagement as well. And you have at least several types of pages within Facebook. There's your personal page, almost everyone on the earth has, your personal page. Then there's your business page on Facebook where you can run ads to that. And then there's what's called your Facebook groups. Now, Mark Zuckerberg in his wisdom made some changes recently. And long story short, you really want to be driving people to your Facebook groups if you want to make massive change, make massive sales online quickly. And the reason being is, I don't care how good your posts are, on your Facebook personal page or your business page, deliberately, well, on your personal page, probably only about 1 or 2% of all your people are actually seeing your content every single day. So from a business perspective, it absolutely is not really worth posting anything with a business intent on your personal page or your business page unless you're willing to pay. The beauty of your Facebook group is it's incredible is this. Number one is Facebook's algorithm changes means they're going to show your content on your in your groups to a lot more people. That's number one. I mean, that alone is worth it. And number 2 as well, there's some more hidden gems and hidden features which I explained to you in our free training, which you'll get when you click the link down below. Because the key thing is this, is what's exciting me is I've always wanted a way that people who have been failing for years or are very new to the business, I always wanted the least technical method which can give them the biggest results as quickly as possible. I'm convinced there is nothing on planet Earth like Facebook groups when done the right way. Now, to find out how it's done the right way, you want to get your hands very quickly on my limited time free offers when you click the link down below. Here's what you're going to find. You're going to find, number 1, a way to recruit 12 to 15 people in a single week. Now, am I guaranteeing you that you're going to get the same results? Well, what I'd say to you is this, well, I can't guarantee it. One thing I can say is this, if others, which you're going to see in a moment, if others have been struggling for years and they're getting similar results, others who've been struggling more than you have, why wouldn't you expect to get similar results? If others who failed for years have used it to get life-changing results, people who had, who couldn't sell, had very, very low technical skills, had failed for years, had friends and family laughing at them. If it worked for them, what good reason do you have to think it wouldn't work for you? Now, when you click link down below, these are the benefits to you. Number 1, I'm going to show you the fastest way to recruit people. I'm going to show you how to, for example, get people chasing after you rather than you chasing after them. So no more chasing after friends and family, no more spamming people in Facebook groups, none of that being annoying. The reason most people accounts get closed down is because they annoy people because they haven't been trained. I'm going to show you how to quickly, with speed, get people coming towards you. Now, let's imagine your business. How would your online business look when you're getting 15, 20, even 25 people per day coming to you, raising their hand, wanting to find out about your business, your service, or your charity? Wouldn't that be a game changer? That's number 1. Number 2, when you click the link down below, you're going to find out exactly what to say and what not to say to them, because knowing what not to say is critical. There are some questions which most internet marketers and business leaders have been trained to do in the business sector or charity sector when communicating with someone online. And I just sort of gasp when I hear it, because I think the only reason you say that is because you haven't been trained properly. That's why your closing ratios are so low. Well, if that's a problem, don't worry. You want to click the link down below. I'm going to show you exactly what to say, and you're going to see that what I do, it works. Now, I'm not really into boasting, but I am going to show you in day 1 to 5, the free video series, sections of my commission, so you can see the staggering results that I get. Now, I don't show it to boast at all, but I say it because I know what it is to go from over here, struggling and failing, where my life was tough, money was very tight, to over here where I am now, helping and being rewarded because I helped so many people succeed. Finally, as well, when it comes to objection handling, when it comes to being able to know how to handle any objection. And imagine being literally bulletproof about any objection someone can give, the money objection, the time objection, you name it, knowing how to do that. Plus as well, systems which literally work whilst you sleep. This is what, there's a core belief I have about money, which is the truth, which is unless you figured out how to make money whilst you're asleep, you'll work for someone else until the day you die. And it's simple. So what you want are systems that you can easily leverage 24 hours a day, which once you create the content, you put systems in place whereby people are coming to you, which is not time dependent on you. Now, here's the key thing. I want you to think about 2 areas you're struggling in. That can be either getting enough leads and sales. That can be not knowing how to close people. Here is what I want you to do. Remember, when you click the link down below, this 5-day video series is free. You'll go through to my private Facebook group, and what I'll do is any questions or your biggest 2 challenges, I want you to put them to me because I want to help you get unstuck quickly, because whilst the figures show that 90% of people fail online in the first 4 months, the 10% who are succeeding in flying, that can be you. And there's no reason ordinary people who are making life-changing income today, they're ones of people who failed for years, they just gained access to my training. So hurry up, click the link down below now. And I want to say this to you before you do that. Your best years aren't behind you, they're ahead of you. And if you've never had anyone believe in you, believe that you can achieve, I want you to know that I really believe in you. There's no question at all that when you click the link down below and you start working with me, you're going to see life-changing results. There's none. Why? Because this is what I do. I'm excited for the results that you're going to get. However, you need to take the first step. So go ahead, click the link down below. Go through to my free Facebook group, grab that training very quickly. Plus as well, there's a hidden bonus I put in there worth over $400 for free, which I'll give it to you. Why? Because I want people who are hungry. However, you need to hurry up, because what it is, at the start of each month, there's a limited time offer. I put these on, and the first few people who grab it, they get it, and I don't put it in again until the next month. I want people who are really hungry, people who are successful, and people who take action very quickly. So subscribe to my channel as well, and hit the notification bell so you can get notifications every time I put a new video out, as I put a new video out at least once every week. Take care, and I cannot wait to see you. So hurry up, go ahead and click the link down below now. Bye-bye.